Up for sale, 1966 Plymouth Barracuda, finished in Citron gold with gold interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 66 Barracuda, Citron gold. It's a 60,000 original mile, unrestored survivor cream puff kind of a car. Finished in its original Citron gold with all of its original interior. That is, looks like new. Really, I mean, the whole interior looks amazing on this car. I'm just going to show you quickly. It was sold new in Rockford, Illinois. I have the Certa card, which is in there, and the original manual with the selling dealer in the manual, which is in the car. It's pretty much all original paint, which is in very nice condition. No Bondo. It's all original body panels, all original floors. There's no rust on the floors, no rust on any sort of like subframe, frame. Super nice underneath. I got some extensive pictures that I did take of it, and we are going to get started. It's got its original chrome bumpers on. They're in pretty nice condition. You know, there are going to be a couple marks on there being original, but it looks really nice. And I love the front of the car. The design's cool. It's got the fish down there. There's a couple, like a stone chip there, a couple other marks, a couple more stone chips, I guess. Being flat like that, you're susceptible to it. The hood alignment is really nice. Everything works except the original radio and the reverse lights. Now, I don't understand. 9 out of 10 cars I buy, the reverse lights never work. I don't know why you classic car people don't fix them. It makes no sense to me. I guess the majority of the time you go forward, you don't have to. Look at that. That's how you open it. You don't have to go backwards. But here you got the all original engine compartment. It's original 273 motor, untouched, in, you know, original condition here. It's got its original fender tag in place, but the fender wells, the firewall on both sides are super nice and clean and original. And here's the Certa card that I mentioned. Pull that out, which is nice to see. They only did this from 66 to 68, I believe. Rockford, again, 4/29/1966. Pretty cool. Put that back in there for safekeeping. The motor runs really smooth, really nice. The car actually drives excellent. Very fun to drive. The only thing that's not original on the car are the BF Goodrich, well, the tires and the American Racing wheels, but they look really nice on the car. And I have a set of original hubcaps in the trunk. Just enough room for them in the trunk if you're familiar with the cars. There's not a lot of room for anything. You know, a little mark right there. A little touch-up, a couple more right there. Again, it's original 273 motor, and it is a factory 3-speed column shift car, which is pretty unique to find. Door fitment, super nice. A couple more marks there, miscellaneous stuff. I'll show you more. Nice trim down there. It's really a nice car. I love finding very original, very unmolested, untouched cars that have, you know, that show that they've been taken care of over time. More marks right there, like I was saying. You probably see them. All the glass on the car is excellent, especially this rear window. If you crack it, you're screwed. Barracuda logo on the back. And if you can see it, this rear compartment here is excellent. Like all the inner chrome there, the handle and whatnot, that's all in excellent condition too. Let me go into the car now and I'll take my time going through it. I'm just a little excited about this car. Again, all of its original interior, super nice condition. The seats literally look like new, and they're original. And it's very very nice to see. So here's the manual that I got, and I just actually noticed it that it said includes warranty, like right before I started the video. So I flipped through it, and there it is right there. So that's pretty cool, of course, going along with the car. The dash looks like new, the controls look like new. It has a vacuum gauge on it, which is pretty cool. I mean, even like this kind of stuff. Steering wheel, I know the horn works. Again, all the gauges work, the heater works. All the dome lights work, this one and that one. Headliner looks like new. Even the back of the seats are nice. I mean, this is a very special car in this condition. Here's the back seat. Even the carpet. Oh, also the carpet's possibly original, I guess. I considering the rest of the car is, I know a lot of people do replace carpet, but it looks original. I have that original style floor mat that goes from that side to that side. It's yellowed. I thought it would be nicer to show how nice the carpet actually is. So of course I'm gonna put that back in the car when it, when I'm done, put it away when it goes onto its new home. There's the back seat. Even the door panels on both sides are in excellent condition. And let me see if I can do this with one hand here. Yep. It's not even sun faded. The people owned it for 17 years. Like I said, it was sold new in Rockford, and spent almost its entire life there. And the recent owners of the 17 years were 2 towns over from Rockford. So really never left the area. All the moldings are in nice condition. Windshield's in nice condition. Being original paint, you'd wonder like any kind of water getting in. These are super nice. There's nothing at all. Nothing at all there that would be sort of rust. Top of the car is nice. Even around here, this is all nice. Couple more marks there again. I mean, it is original paint. Couple more marks right there. It has newer dual exhaust on it. I don't know if this car would have come with single exhaust or dual exhaust from the factory, but it has dual now. Sounds really nice. I'll show you the trunk. Which is also nice. Weather stripping is nice. There's a little stamping down there. Another stamping over there. Jacking instructions. This paint's all nice. I kind of like how it's got this thing there to hold it up. There's the hubcaps. It's got its original jack down there. And original quarters. And another kind of a time capsule thing I'm going to show you. How beautiful the paint is on the original trunk pan down there. Super, super nice. Very, very impressive again. Pull the key out. I would say the back bumper is just about the same as the front. Another nice thing about cars that haven't really been dismantled and taken apart is, again, everything kind of lines up nicely on it. Nothing's out of alignment, which is basically me rewording the same sentence twice. A couple more miscellaneous marks here. And I would say the only, any kind of, I don't even want to call it rust, it's just the faintest little bubbling there and a blister right there on the car. Other than that, the other side has nothing. There's nothing underneath. That's it. Another thing, the wheel moldings are super, super nice. All the trim is very nice on this car, considering it is original. A couple more marks you see. But again, being steel and not really messed with, the body is extremely straight. A couple more touch-ups. I can't get over how pretty the dash is. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Another thing I wanted to show you, how easy the doors close. 66 Barracuda. All original, 60,000 miles, mint interior, original 273 motor with the 3-speed on the column, and it has power steering from the factory. Citron gold with gold interior. We will fire it up and then drive it. So again, thanks for watching, and here we go. All right, here we go. Here's the original 273. We're gonna fire it up now. Forgot to turn in.